Hey guys, and welcome to RoboCAD. In this tutorial I will explain you how to create your first HMI project. It will contain two Siemens HMI devices. The first one is Siemens Comfort panel and the second one is WinCC RT Advanced HMI application. So let's begin. So first we need to click on this option, create new project, and this window will get appear. We can rename the project name and then click on the create button. It will take some time and then a new window will get appear, and we need to select this configure a device option and then select add new device. As soon as we select on add new device, a new window will get appear in which we need to select HMI, this one. When we select the HMI, we will see different options for the HMI. So I am selecting this comfort panel option, and here we need to select the display. So I will be going with the 7-inch display, and I will be selecting this very first one, comfort, and select this device. You can read this description for the device, scroll down a little bit, uncheck this option if it is already checked, and then click on add button, and after some time a new window will get appear for the device. So right click here and click on rename. This is an optional thing. If you want to rename it, you can. So I'm writing here my panel, right? It's up to you. And then double click on it. As soon as you do that, this window will get appear. So we have these options for collapse and expand, and if we want to see or if you want to change the IP addresses, then we can change it from here when we select this Ethernet ports, and in the properties window, and then in this Profinet time frame, we need to go into the Ethernet addresses, and right here we have these addresses. We need to click on these Ethernet ports and we can see the IP addresses. If we want to change it or if we want to see, these are the addresses for this HMI. Okay, so now I'm going to add a new device. So click here, add a new device, and select this PC systems. When we select it, we will be having these different options. So I will be going into the PC general and select this PC station, and then click on OK button. As soon as we do that, we will see here a PC station. PC station has been added, and now we have to add the PC runtime advanced HMI application, and for that we need to go into this third option, HMI application, and select this WinCC RT Advanced and drag this right here. Drag and drop this here, and it is added. So WinCC RT Advanced has been added, and now we have to add the communication module as well. So go into the Profinet Ethernet and drag this IE general and drop this here in the first box. And if we want to see the address for this Profinet Ethernet, then we can select it, and this right here is the IP address for this Ethernet. And if we want to change the resolution of the screen, then we have the options here. We have to go into the HMI RT_2 and then go into the runtime settings, and here we have multiple options that include the screen resolution as well, where we have multiple standard sizes, multiple standard screen resolutions. So I'm going with the default. And then if we go into the screens and double click add new screen, this right here is the HMI application screens for the development that we will cover in our upcoming tutorials. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.